boring around here. Yeah, I agree. Hey, Rubber Ball, remember that show we used to be on, Flipnote Object Battle? Yeah, I do. That was the best show ever. Well, now it will be the best show ever again. Huh? Flipnote Object Battle is coming back. Whoa, it is? Awesome. Yes, more time to hurt diamonds. Oh, no. I know you can't talk, but want you friends? Oh. This show is so much bundles of joy. Oh, shut up. Whoa, this is getting way too violent. Let's move on to the challenge. Yeah! Their first challenge is to jump across this gorge. The first 10 people that cross this gorge will win immunity, and the last 10 will be up for elimination. Go! Wow, I think I'm just following Rubber Ball. Where's the jump? Yay, we won! You and Rubber Ball both win immunity. Yay! Hey, Tiny, I need to tell you something really important. What? I'm way better than you. No, I think diamonds are better than junk food. Hey, speech bubble. Yeah? You're my friend. No, I'm not. Hello, viewers. Have you ever wanted to make everything dirty to annoy neat freaks like soap? Well, now you can. Buy mud in a jar. It's my favorite thing ever. You just dump it on stuff, and it turns into mud. It's only $1 billion dollars. Buy it today. No. No, my favorite thing ever. Haha, loser. Congratulations, Speech Bubble. You actually made it over. Yay. I can make it over too. No. Well, it's kind of boring watching people jump over a gorge, so I'm just going to tell you who else is up for elimination, since I'm a great host. Yay. No, you're not. Who the heck are you? My name's Dominic. Why are you here? I want to be the co-host. But what are you doing here? I made a challenge on episode 7. Fine, you can be the co-host. Yay!